Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I make my tuna salad. It's so good. I could eat this every single day with some tostadas. These are my favorite. They have like a little taste of salt. So it's only those. But yeah. So this is what it looks like. It tastes so good. Like, trust me. This one is good because you can change the ingredients to make it like to your taste, so you can add more salt, less salt, more lime, less lime, things like that. And the way you have to eat it, I mean, you don't have to, but with some tapatio or valentina, it's perfect. I love it. It's so easy to make. It's really quick. The dog's trying to come in. It's really quick, especially if you can chop quicker than I can. It's just super easy. Yeah. So I'm gonna stop talking. We're gonna go ahead and get into the video. So for this recipe, you're gonna need mayonnaise, tuna, tomato, cilantro, lime, onion, serrano peppers, and then the jalapeno with vinegar, salt, and pepper. And so then here I am. I'm just gonna go ahead and chop everything up and put it into a bigger bowl so I can see how much stuff I have. I like to eyeball this so it's never the same amount. Yeah. So today I added 4 cans of tuna. You can make more or less depending on how many people are going to eat or how long you want it to last. This is just for 2 people and it's going to last probably 2 days just because I love it and I can eat the whole thing if if I leave it in front of me. So yeah. I'm just going to cut up everything and then I'll be right back. I'm technically making pico de gallo but adding tuna to it, if that makes sense. So that's basically what I'm doing, if that makes it a little bit easier for you. So I usually add the vinegar juice from the jalapenos, like the water that they come in, but this one had a lot of juice, so I didn't have to add any extra. But if your jalapenos are a little more dry, they don't have a lot of juice, add a couple spoonfuls of the vinegar inside and it gives it a whole new flavor. It's so good. So make sure that you stir it up good, mix everything, incorporate it, and then after that you're gonna go ahead and add the mayonnaise. You can also put the tuna first, mayonnaise, and then add all the vegetables, but I just did it this way this time. So as you see, I'm going to add, I believe I added 4 big spoonfuls of mayonnaise. So 2, 3, and then later I added another one. So yeah, it was 4. So this is the brand of the jalapenos that I was using. These ones to me are the best. I've tried other ones and they're not good. And these tostadas too, La Rosa, like me, those are so good. I'm adding another lime here because the other one barely had any juice. For this one, I think I only added half of the lime juice, and that was perfect. You don't need to put the whole lime. You can save the other half in the fridge. Okay. Tuna. You shouldn't be eating tostadas because I have braces. But you just learn how to eat hard things when you have braces. Okay. So you'll get some papatio. Cheers. I forgot to take my elastics out. I couldn't open my mouth all the way. There. Excuse this, I was itching. Yeah. If you guys enjoyed this video, I would appreciate if you give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe down for more and turn on the notifications so you get notified when I post a video. And if there's anything else that you guys want me to post, go ahead and leave it in the comments down below so I could work on that for you. Alright? Have a nice night, guys. Bye. My braces are Christmas colors.